There is a house in Julian. They call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my young blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only things a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. The only time he satisfies is when